Welcome friends, I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician, and we are dealing with the subject of psychology, reviewing the important topics for first BHMS students. Our topic number 5 today deals with importance of philosophy in medical field. So we'll recall from the time of Hippocrates to the modern era, there existed a very close link between philosophy and medicine. As a matter of fact, philosophy has been at the basis of medicine. What is philosophy? The philosophy is a quest to seek the truth, and philosophy fights half-truths and prejudices. What is science of medicine? It is a quest of medicine and health. It seeks to fight diseases of the body and mind. The paradox is, apparently the two disciplines, say for philosophy and medicine, appear to follow two separate ends. However, if you examine it very closely, it will become very clear to you that both are complementary ways striving for enhancement of human well-being. Today's medical paradox is the medical science considers human bodies as machines and the physicians as technicians, and their job is to repair the dysfunctional bodies. Its attention is on the matter, the physical aspect, but they talk nothing about the immaterial aspect of human existence. The immaterial aspect of our existence involves purpose, meaning, spirit, and soul. As far as neuroscientists are concerned, consciousness exists only as a byproduct of brain anatomy and its function. That is the end of it. The human illness has become strictly physical events, a glitch in the biological program that needs to be overridden, and this modern outlook has resulted in the neglect of the patient as a subjective being in the name of science. Healing is holistic phenomena that involves much more than just targeted symptomatic relief. Without a conscious philosophical framework to guide it, medicine has deteriorated to a haphazard collection of treatments and procedures. The question is whether the medical science is capable of serving its original mission of healing the sick. It is the time to understand what reality means for a holistic perspective. The holistic reality encompasses all phenomena, including consciousness and subjective experiences, not just the objective material aspect of human health that medicines deems reality. So we conclude that this is the right time rather to bridge the gap so that philosophy becomes indispensable once again to the art and science of healing. Bibliography. These are the works we are referred for work of this particular topic. Thank you very much for patient listening.